How to fix. There was an error processing your request on Uber Eats. Hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today I'll go it through and how you can fix there was an error processing your request error popping up on your Uber Eats. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me go it through. If you are on Android or whether iOS, the process is simple. If you are on Android here, you can simply scroll the notification bar and tap on the settings, the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you're on the settings page, scroll down and look in for the option apps. Tap on the apps option and now under apps you want to look in for the Uber Eats application. Now you can either scroll down and look in, or from the search bar you can type in Uber Eats and look in for Uber Eats here. Then tap on it and open up the app info page. Once you have opened up the app info page, here tap on storage option. Then you can see the clear cache option. You can tap on the clear cache and you can try and see if the issue has been fixed. If it doesn't help, come back here and tap on clear data. However, this will log you out of your account. You'll have to log back in again, but this will fix any glitches or errors within the app. This is how you can fix there was an error processing your request on Uber Eats. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.